So hello friends, my name is Vidit Gupta and today I am going to talk about a very good topic, and the name of this topic is media. So firstly you need to understand that what is media. So what is the definition of media? So the definition of media is that media is a medium or source by which we get to know the news and the current affairs. Okay, so this is the definition of media. Okay, now if I talk about the advantages and disadvantages of media, so if I talk about the advantages of media, so there are so many advantages of media. As you know, even we can set a career. For example, there are so many good YouTubers. For example, Mr. Beast is there and Total Gaming is there. There are so many good YouTubers and they are earning lakhs of money from YouTube even. So YouTube can be the source of our income. So you can also say that in simple word that social media is giving us employment. So it is a very good point in social media, and we can do our entertainment even. We can see the horror story, funny videos, we can see anything whatever we want, and we can even learn too much of things from social media. We can learn dance, we can learn new vocabulary, we can learn from social media. So it is a very good advantage of social media. So these were some advantages of social media. But if I talk about the disadvantages of social media, because there are so many people, they only know the advantages of social media. According to them, if social media is providing us and the whole media is providing us so many things, then what are the disadvantages of this media? So there are some disadvantages of media. So the first disadvantage of media is that sometimes media interferes in the personal life of a person. For example, if I talk about the example of Mr. Narendra Modi, then there is a separate media for Narendra Modi. The name of this media is Modi Media. It is not a joke. Really, there is a separate media for Modi, and the name of this media is social media, Modi Media. And this media will always give the news of Modi. So can't it interfere in the personal life of Narendra Modi? Yeah, it can definitely affect the personal life of Mr. Narendra Modi. And even there are so many celebrities, okay, and suppose they are going somewhere, okay, then firstly media will come. Sir, why are you going here? They are going to gym. Sir, what is the need to make your body? Suppose an actor is there and he has been divorced, okay, it is a very bad condition, but still media will come. Sir, whose mistake was there? Was it your mistake? Sir, was it the mistake of your wife? So it will look very awkward, it will look very bad, it will sound very bad to that actor. So it is the disadvantage of media. And sometimes for unique content, media prints or media shows fake news, because media is like a business, and in the business you need to do something unique, and the news are not unique except some news. There is no uniqueness in any news, okay, and for making the news unique, the media prints or the media shows fake news, because the unique news cannot be real, but the fake news can be real for them, okay. So that is why sometimes from media we can get even fake knowledge, okay. Here I am not saying that we should not use media, but sometimes we should be alert even from media. And the second disadvantage is that on the media you will get so many scams even, and they are because of media. And sometimes children can get too much of knowledge from media, so it is also a kind of disadvantage for media, okay. And the next disadvantage is that sometimes media gets biased, okay, and unbiased, okay. So firstly I want to tell you the meaning of those two words, biased and unbiased, okay. So if I talk about biased, so what is biased? So biased means जो किसी एक की साइड ले रहा है, okay. Suppose एक डिबेट चल रही है और मैं मीडिया हूँ, ठीक है, और मैं किसी एक की साइड ले रहा हूँ, okay, I am taking the side of one person, then I will be biased, okay. And unbiased means जो किसी की साइड नहीं ले रहा, I am media, okay, because media should not take side of anyone, but media takes the side of anyone, okay. In the Hinduism, the media will always promote Hinduism, okay, and the media will always like make a fight on the name of religion, okay, because sometimes the मीडिया विल ट्राई टू डू दिस, दैट मीडिया उनमें आग लगाएगी कि लड़ो, जाके लड़ो, ओके. तो समटाइम्स दीज फाइट्स आर हेल्ड बिकॉज ऑफ मीडिया. सो इट इज ऑल्सो डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ मीडिया. एंड why media held this kind of fight? So the reason is us, because we are the reason, because the Indian people have interest in religion. Okay, that is why media show the news of religion, because obviously the news of religion will be unique, not for everyone, but for most of the people the news of religion will be very unique for them. That is why media shows fake news, and sometimes media becomes biased. Okay, and now the next disadvantage is that, no, it is not a kind of disadvantage, it is just a kind of question. Okay, has media been judgmental? Okay, so if media has been judgmental, okay, 100%, then it will come in disadvantage. But if media is not judgmental, then it will come in advantage. Let me explain you judgmental and decisive. Okay, so sometimes media is doing the work of a judge. Okay, so as you know, the work of a judge is to decide that who is right and who will go in the jail and who will be rescue. No, not sorry, rescue को कौन रिहा होगा, भाई इज्जत बरी होगा, ठीक है. So it is a work of a judge. But nowadays media is doing this work. Really, media is doing this work nowadays. Suppose a fighting is going on between Hindu and Muslim, then the media will do the work of a judge. The media will decide. That's why media is being decisive nowadays, that Hindu is right in this case, Muslim is right in this case. And sometimes there are so many person, they have said that who are you to decide that who is right and who is wrong, because it is the work of government and media is not a government. Okay, and now next question arises that, is too much of liberty for media good or bad? Okay, so in some cases it is good and in some cases it is bad, because as I told you about, no, I didn't tell you, now let me tell you about army sector. Okay, now in the army sector the access of media is not allowed. Okay, so that is why the corruption, okay, let me tell you that in the army sector corruption can be there. Okay, but here I am not pretty sure, because the access of media is not allowed. But if corruption will be there, then it will not be highlighted. So it is a disadvantage, because if media could go in the army sector, then the media could highlight the corruption of army person. Okay, but when access is not there, then the corruption cannot be highlighted. Okay, so it is a disadvantage, because the corruption of police is being highlighted nowadays on even newspaper, and you can make a policeman corrupted nowadays. So it is very common thing. Okay, but if I talk about too much of liberty, then it is bad even, because if too much of liberty will be there, the media will understand itself like a king of the country, that whatever we are saying, it is good, now you can't speak, now you can speak. The media is being judgmental and the media will be biased also. Okay, so it can be the disadvantage. Okay, so these are some disadvantages of media. Okay, that I know. Now the last question is that, what if media does not exist? Okay, तो इफ मीडिया डज नॉट एक्सिस्ट, ओके, इफ अगर मीडिया एक्सिस्ट नहीं करेगी, देन जो जितने भी एडवांटेज है मीडिया के, ये एक्सिस्ट ही नहीं करेंगे. दैट फॉर एग्जांपल वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू सेट अ करियर, और बहुत सारे लोग अनएम्प्लॉयड हो जाएंगे. अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट रेशियो विल बी इंक्रीज्ड इफ मीडिया विल नॉट एक्सिस्ट. ओके, and we will not be able to entertain ourselves, because most of the time we entertain ourselves from media, the social media games, the social media sites. So most of the time it is the source of our entertainment. Okay, and we will not be able to learn new things. Okay, so it is also a disadvantage of media. But what if media will not exist, then fake news will not be there, then it will not interfere in the life. Okay, now if I talk about the conclusion, so what is the conclusion? So although media is absolutely very good, okay, but sometimes media prints fake news. Okay, now if media prints fake news, okay, then it is not 100% wrong, because it is their business. क्योंकि ये मीडिया वालों का भी तो बिजनेस है, क्योंकि because we are not going to give them money, हम उन्हें पैसे नहीं दे रहे. So that's why there should be a source of income. So media is the source of income of some person. It doesn't matter that it is because of corruption, but ultimately they are earning something, because we are not going to provide them money. So in this case it is good. But if I talk about the conclusion, then media is good, but too much of liberty and these kind of judgmental cases of media should not take place, so that media will not be good. So this was all about media. So thank you for listening my presentation.